Guys, Willie and Murphy here, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the second video on the Seat Tarraco. I've just done rear disc pads, gone through the service maintenance mode and everything, so it's all hunky-dory on the brake side of things. But the car is pretty dirty. The rain has stopped, which is nice. It's going to be parked up here on this god-awful path for the next couple of days. But I just want to make sure it's when it goes back to them, it looks quite fresh. So you can see I've just leant on the side of the car, got a little bit of muck on it. Wheels are a bit dirty, tyres are dirty. There's mud down the side of the car. Now the car is ceramic coated, so it shouldn't take much. I'm going to give it a bit of a pre-wash, see how we get on. I may see how we get. If it comes up nicely, I might just leave it at that. I might put a bit of shampoo on there, just to like wash and wax just to go over. But I don't really know too much about the ceramic coat, so yeah, this is what I've just done. Rear brakes on this. Looks a bit grubby, but like, I don't think they wash this car very often, if at all. And yeah, it should be much nicer once they get it back. So I do an awful lot of motorway driving, so it'll be nice to say, there you go, the brakes are sorted and there's your car back. Enjoy your car, mum and dad. So in today's video, we're going to give this a clean. It looks much better, and that's only with the pre-wash and a rinse. So I've got Gtechniq G-Wash, and I use some of this as a high foaming supreme dirt remover, and I'm going to go over a wash mitt and just literally just get the edges off. There's a couple of bits, particularly around the doors, which just got like a bit of build-up where I guess water's ran and dried on. The wheels need a bit of a spruce over as well, but on the whole it's looking much better. I'm much happier. I like to give cars back once they're looking as good as they can do. So you'll see when I do videos, I typically do a second video on cleaning. I'm not a detailer by any means. I enjoy doing it though. Jet washing is very satisfying. So, and while I was here, I just gave my door a little jet wash as well because it was building up some green sludge. That'll probably do. You can see it's looking really good, I won't lie, but across the top of the door you can see just like here, that's still a fair amount of dirt on there, and it goes all the way up, all the way along here, on the backs of the doors as well. You can see where they've spilt some fuel and haven't wiped it off. Naughty. Yeah, it's a lovely car this. I do really like it. Loads of little modern features on it. And it drives really nicely too. So, and actually, given the size of the car, I don't think you'd notice. Oh, that's a bit of a nasty dent there. Just on the door. There's one just here, but one there a bit bigger. Damn. Yeah, it drives really nice, and given the size of the car, it actually drives much like a much smaller. You don't really notice the size of it. I'd say it's probably like a Volkswagen Tiguan type size, or like a Touareg, sorry. There's a big one. Hasn't got such a big engine, but it is super economical and super comfy to drive, so it ticks a lot of those boxes instead. So this car has been in accident damage previously. My mum was on a roundabout and someone pulled out straight into the side of her, damaged the front wing, damaged the door. Now, they did say that the car has been ceramic coated recently, and can you make sure the ceramic coat is reapplied? Now, the back of the car, if I wet it, you see the water kind of just falls onto the paint and falls there. Well, the door has been recently reapplied. So yeah, that is the power of ceramic coating, and as you can see, the water just runs off the paint. Front wing, not as much, but that door, wow, what a job they've done there. So yeah, I can highly recommend ceramic coating your vehicle, because that is very, very satisfying. Right, so the question is, will I finish the clean here before or after the battery dies? I have 9% left, so I'm pretty happy with the exterior of the car. And just a couple more bits of soap that suds that are just there. I need to just do the wheels. I've got the microfiber cloth, or the wash mitt. Just going to go over. I'm not going to go to town on them, and then I'm going to park the car effectively on this muddy patch, which is really, really annoying. But we are where we are, so let's get this boxed off, let's get the wheels cleaned, and let's hopefully make it to the end before the battery dies. Right, there we have it, 5% battery left. The rain has started coming down, so I'm faced with rain and lack of battery. But the car is now clean. I'm really happy with how this has looked, and it looks really, really smart. So, yeah, there we go. The Seat Tarraco, which is a really cool thing to say. Seat Tarraco is clean. I'm not going to dry it because, quite frankly, what's the point? But look at that, lovely. Looks so nice when it's all cleaned up. I do like a freshly cleaned car. So, wheels done, bodywork done. Happy days. Right, well, if you have enjoyed this, as always, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bosh. Seat Tarraco. Toodaloo.